Hello coders, and this is the part 3 of the MCQs of the array, and we are solving the two parts already. So go and watch that part also. So now we are going to start this part. Okay, so question number 1 is, which of the following is true about the array and pointers? Okay, so options are, array name is a pointer constant, array name is variable, array name holds the value or none. So option A is correct over here. Okay, so array name is pointer constant. Okay, next moving to the question number 2. Okay, so question number 2, to copy one array to another in the C++, what we are using? So option are given over here is equal to operators. Okay, so option B is memory, MEMCPY. Okay, function, copy functions in STL, both B and C. Okay, so option D is correct over here, both B and C are correct. Okay, now moving to the question number 3, what happen if array index is negative? Okay, so question is, what happen if the array index is negative? Okay, options are access from end, segmentation fault, or undefined, 0 returned, or none. So option B is correct over here, segmentation fault and undefined. Okay, error is coming. Okay, now moving to the question number 4, which loop is best for traversing array in C++? Okay, options are for loop, while loop, do while loop, or any. So here we know that we are using all three loops in the array, and the option is D. Okay, so D is the correct, because we can use any array as per our use case. Okay, now moving to the question number 5, which sorting algorithms work best on the small arrays? Okay, so small arrays are given, and which algorithm is work the best? Okay, so options are given is quick sort, merge sort, insertion sort, and heap sort. Okay, so option C is correct over here, insertion sort is the right answer. Okay, now moving to the question number 6, find the complexity of the linear search. Okay, if anyone is talking about the complexities, that's mean the time complexity, and if it is not mentioned best time complexity or worst time complexity, so please take as worst time complexity. Okay, so if I am going to talk about the linear search worst time complexity, so options are given here is big of 1, big of n, big of log n, big of n square. So option B is correct over here. Okay, so B is the correct. Now moving to the question number 7, which condition must be true for the binary search? Okay, so options are given is array sorted, array unsorted, both, or none. So we know that in the binary search, okay, in binary search array must be sorted, so option A is the correct over here. Okay, now moving to the question number 8, merge two sorted array of size m and n. Okay, so two arrays are given over here, okay, of size m and of size n. Okay, and we have to merge both array. So what is the time complexity of time complexity? Okay, so options are given over here is big of m plus n, big of mn, big of n square, big of log n. Okay, so option A is correct, big of m plus n is the right answer. Okay, now moving to the question number 9. Okay, which function is used to sort the array in the ascending order? Okay, so if a array is given and this is not sorted first, okay, then what is the function to sort the array in the C++? So option A is array dot sort array dot begins, array dot end, sort array or array plus n, both, or none. So option option C is the correct, because we can sort by option A and option B also. Okay, now moving to the question number 10. Okay, what does the size of array and size of array of 0 returns? Okay, So we have to return what is the output. Okay, so number of bytes, size of element, number of elements, and index of the last elements. Okay, so option are given over here, so option C is the correct. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and please mention your score, how much you are correct in this time, and don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. Thank you guys. Bye bye.